At Minnesota State College Southeast in Red Wing, the craft of violin repair and making is more than a skill, it's an art form. In the year-long Violin Repair and Making diploma program, students dive deep into the tools, woods, materials, and techniques essential to maintaining and restoring these timeless instruments. Unlike short workshops that offer only an overview, our program provides 2 full semesters of hands-on, in-depth practice. Fine motor skills, patience, and focus are key. Learn everything from the ground up, including a dedicated course focused solely on rehairing bows for violin, viola, cello, and bass. And for those who want to take their skills even further, students have the option to build their own violin from start to finish. Our goal is simple: prepare you to work in the best violin shops in the world and inspire a lifelong dedication to the art. Join the Violin Repair and Making program at Minnesota State College Southeast.